Should you answer an officer when he asks you if you've had anything to drink? No, you don't have to tell an officer what you've had to drink, ever. In fact, you don't have to ever have any communication with an officer. Remember, the Miranda rights, the first Miranda right you get is you have a right to remain silent. And that right is always in place for you. It's an unequivocal right. Respectfully, you always tell the officer, I'm not going to answer any of your questions. I'm invoking my right under the Fifth Amendment, or I won't answer any questions without my attorney present. Believe it or not, even doing a DUI investigation, you can do that. If you're ever pulled over on the side of the road, focus on why the officer stopped you. If the officer stopped you for speeding, but then he's asking you a question about how much you had to drink, well, clearly drinking has nothing to do with speeding. So any question that does not have to do with the reason why he pulled you over, you always respectfully let the officer know that you are invoking your Fifth Amendment rights and you prefer not to answer any questions. Most people think that they have to give them some answer. Some people will say, well, I didn't have anything to drink, which is if you've had something to drink and later if there's a chemical test to show that you did, well, clearly that's going to be a lie. But we don't want to lie. Respectfully decline to answer any questions, invoke your Fifth Amendment rights.